Nakio kiama kia arigiti guku bururi-ini nigitetete ni kiria marauga ni riendekithia ria kwenda kunina mutaratara wa mathomo ma gikiro kia degree kia arigiti guku bururi-ini. Makiaria mwena wa Mombatha thutha wa kurikiriria kigomano kiao, arigiti amoritie minister wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Aden Duale ndagetikire gukorwo akihetukia riendekithia riri. Ni mamenereirie mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rwa ũrigiti guku bururi-ini niwe Patrick Amoth ni kiria maugite ni kuhotomia wira wao, makiuga arigiti ni manyitaga itemi inene muno makiria miene ĩrĩa ĩtarĩ na marigitari a kũigana. Kahinda-inĩ o kau arigiti a kuhetukira kanjo yao ni moritie minister Duale atigirire ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ni acabithia maritwa ma amemba a bodi ya arigiti guku bururi-ini, makiuga gwa kahinda ka mĩeri 5 riu uruti wa wira bodi-ini no ni uhotometio ũtungata wao kuri muingi.
The Clinical Officers Council, who is our regulator. We have an act of parliament. Kwa nini ifike wakati ambapo wana mpango wa kusimamisha mafunzo katika level ya degree, na hii itatusaidia sisi, inatusaidia tayari sisi kama maafisa tabibu kuprogress career wise, kwa sababu ukifanya degree level unaweza ndafanya masters na pia ufike kwa PhD.
We call upon the cabinet secretary to move with speed, kindly move with speed. We are running out of patience, and cassette the council so that the council can operate and offer services to clinical officers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to be very a bit keen on some of the things that are happening in Ministry of Health. If we cannot cassette a council for 5 months, who approves operations of the council?
The purported medical officer's degree started in 1964, 40 years after the start of clinical medicine. Even Dr. Amoth was treated by clinical medicine, clinical officers. Even Duale itself was treated by clinical officers. So I don't know why it's refusing Kenyans to see the profession, to see the professional who have been treating people since time immemorial.